hello. Okay, so I wanted to show you how to do an exponent problem like we have on the quiz. So let's say I'm going to make one up that's not the same exact problem on the quiz, but very similar, okay? So let's say I have 5x to the fourth power. That's a 4. And let's say x equals, let's do x equal to 2. Let's do x equal to 2. All right, so I'm going to start by plugging in 2 for x. So instead of an x, I'm going to use a 2. So this is basically 5 times 2 to the fourth power. Okay, and remember gems. Remember gems. Okay, I don't have any grouping symbols, but I do have an exponent. Okay, this 4 is an exponent. So I got to do that first. So remember, 2 to the fourth is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. You got to multiply 2 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 2's being multiplied together. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And then 8 times 2 is 16. So 2 to the fourth power is 16. Okay, so I did my exponents first. That's the correct order. And then I do 5 times 16. And okay, so 5 times 16 gets me 80. Okay, and I used a calculator for that. Okay, so that's how you do the problems. Now, I want you to do it on your quiz, Addison, for 3x to the fourth when x equals 2. Or sorry, it's 3x cubed on the quiz, on the flip grid. Or if you want to write it down, you can do that way too. So it's 3x cubed when x equals 2.